If I had to start from zero right now, no audience, no email list, no connections, nothing, and I had to make $100,000 in the next 12 months, this is exactly what I would do, step by step. I'm Fred, and I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day online selling digital products. Let's start with the math, because most people who are trying to make 100K are doing it in the absolute hardest way possible, and they don't even know it. Here's what I mean. Let's say you're driving for Uber. To make $100,000 driving for Uber, you need to drive somewhere around 5,000 to 7,000 hours. That's almost every waking hour of your year just behind the wheel. Or let's say you're freelancing, writing, designing, editing. You're charging maybe $50 an hour. To make 100K, you need 2,000 hours of billable work. That's 40 hours a week, every single week, for an entire year with 0 days off, 0 sick days, 0 vacation days. You are literally renting out your time by the hour and hoping the hours don't run out before your bank account fills up. Now let me show you a different version of that math. What if instead of selling your time, you sold a digital product for $1,000? You'd need 100 sales to hit 100K. What if it was a $5,000 product? You would only need 20 sales. 20. What if it was a $10,000 offer? Let's go crazy. You'd need 10 people to say yes. Just 10 people in one entire year to change your life completely. That's less than one new client per month. This is the math that most people never sit down and actually think about. And it's the reason why some 20-year-old something with a laptop and a YouTube channel is clearing more in a month than someone who's been grinding a 9 to 5 for a decade. It's not luck or talent, it's just math. The right opportunity. And when you understand the math and you work on the right opportunity, you unlock crazy wealth. The goal isn't to work more hours. The goal is to sell something once that delivers value over and over again without you having to show up again every single time. And in 2026, the easiest way to play that game is through YouTube and digital products. So let me explain. I want you to think about YouTube like a machine, not like a regular social media platform. Social media, like Instagram or TikTok, they're like a treadmill. You post, you get views for 24 to 48 hours, then it disappears into the void and you have to do it all over again tomorrow. YouTube works differently. YouTube is a search engine. In fact, it's the second biggest search engine in the world, right behind Google. I mean, Google owns YouTube anyway. But here's exactly what that means for you. When you make a video on YouTube, it doesn't die after 48 hours. It sits there, it grows, it compounds. Someone 3 years from now can find that video, watch it, trust you, and buy from you. You don't have to constantly be online. You don't have to send hundreds of DMs per day. You don't even have to hop on sales calls if you don't want to. The video does the work while you're asleep, while you're at the gym, while you're on vacation. Think about it like planting trees versus picking fruit. With every single other platform, you're picking fruit. You pick it, you eat it, it's gone, you have to go pick more. YouTube is like planting trees. You plant the tree, you water it a little, and for years, it keeps dropping fruit whether you show up or not. That is leverage. That's the difference between having a job and having a capped income and having a business with unlimited income. And right now in 2026, YouTube is still massively underutilized by regular people who want to build income online. Most people think you need millions of subscribers. You don't. You could have 5,000 subscribers and the right offer and be making $10,000 a month. I've seen it. It happens literally all the time. Small channels with hyper-targeted audiences and specific offers can kill it. You don't need to spend a single dollar on ads to make this work. You don't have to run Facebook ads or Google ads. You can simply use a pure organic content that brings people to you already interested in what you're talking about, in the problem you can solve for them. They searched for it. They found you. They're what we call warm leads. They're much easier to close. They're much more likely to buy. That's a completely different energy than someone you just cold message on Instagram who didn't even ask to hear from you. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Okay, so now you're probably wondering, Do I have to be on camera? Do I have to be some kind of influencer with a perfect lighting and a ring light and a whole studio setup? The answer is no. And that's the part where I want to be super clear with you, because a lot of people get stuck here and they use it as an excuse to never start. But if you never start, answer this question: how are you going to make money? You won't. It's that simple. There are two models and both of them work. The first one is a personal brand. So that's, for example, this channel. You show your face, you tell your story, you build a community around who you are as a person. Think of this like Gary Vee or Alex Hormozy. People follow the person is the brand. The benefit here is that it builds trust fast. People feel like they know you, they trust you. And when somebody feels like they know you, they like you, they trust you, guess what? They buy from you. The second model is a faceless channel. This is where the channel is built around a topic or a niche, not around a specific person. Think of those YouTube channels that blow up with fitness content, relationships content, Bible stories, deep focus music for work, how to learn English podcasts. The list is endless. You never see anyone's face. It's just a voiceover, some visuals, maybe some screen recordings. And these channels can make serious money. Serious. Some of them are pulling in over $30,000 a month. And that's only AdSense revenue. That doesn't even include their own product sales. Now, here's how you decide which path is right for you. Ask yourself one question. Do you want your personality to be the product, or do you want the information to be the product? If you love storytelling, if you're comfortable on camera, if you want to build something deeply tied to your personal story, go personal brand. If it's more private, if you don't want your face out there, if you want to be able to scale multiple channels without being the bottleneck, go faceless. Neither one is better than the other. They're just different vehicles going to the same destination. You can do both eventually. I always suggest to start with one channel initially, and once it's successful, delegate it or remove yourself from the process as much as possible. And only after that can you focus on opening more channels and scaling up if that's your ambition, but never before. Otherwise, you're just going to overwork and quit. I've seen it happen time and again, believe me. A few years ago, this was a costly business model to run because you needed to pay a script writer, voiceover artist, video editor, thumbnail manager, and channel manager. So it wasn't very accessible. But in 2026, AI makes the faceless model almost effortless. We're talking AI-generated scripts, AI voiceovers that sound completely natural, AI-assisted editing, AI-generated thumbnails. The whole production side of things that used to take an expensive team of people, AI has compressed that down to something one person can run in a few hours a week. This is genuinely a different era. The barrier to entry has basically collapsed. Let's talk about what you're actually selling, because this is where most people freeze up. They say things like, but I'm not an expert, or who's gonna listen to me, or there's too much competition already. And I want to call that out for what it is. It's fear wearing the costume of logic. The truth is, you don't need to be the world's leading expert on something to teach it. You just need to be one chapter ahead of someone else. You just need to pick your niche, figure out what they want to buy, and sell it to them. AI can help you create the product. So when it comes to picking your niche, think about three things. What do you know? What do you love talking about? And what do people actually pay money to learn? You want all three of those circles to overlap. If you know something that people pay for, and you actually enjoy talking about it, that's your niche. Done. Don't overthink it. And in terms of what to sell, digital products are king. We're talking online courses, ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, coaching programs, done-for-you services, monthly recurring memberships. The beautiful thing about digital products is there's zero inventory, zero shipping, zero manufacturing cost. You make the product once and you can sell it 1,000 times. Your margin is almost 100%. Every dollar that comes in is almost pure profit. And if you want to hit 100K without losing your mind, you want to be in the high-ticket space. Not selling $27 ebooks where you need thousands of customers. We're talking $500, $1,000, $2,000 offers or even more where you need a fraction of the customers to hit the same revenue. High ticket doesn't mean harder to sell, it means high value. And when your content on YouTube is genuinely helping people and building trust, selling a $1,000 product to a subscriber who's been watching you for 3 months is not hard. They already trust you. The content pre-sold them. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Let me give you a picture of what running one of these channels actually looks like week to week. Because if you think this is some massive full-time operation, it's not. You can make it one if you want to go big, but you don't have to start that way. You wake up on Monday. You spend maybe 30 minutes with an AI tool to brainstorm your next video topic based on what people are already searching for. The AI gives you a list of 10 ideas ranked by search volume. You pick one. You spend another 15 minutes working with the AI to build out the full script. The hook, the stories, the teaching points, the call to action. Done. Tuesday, you feed that script into an AI voiceover tool. It sounds natural, it sounds human, it takes about 10 minutes. Wednesday, you use AI to generate your visuals or screen record whatever you need to show on screen. Thursday, you drop everything into an editing tool that uses AI to auto-sync your audio, cut the silences, and put the whole thing together. Friday, you upload, write your description, and you're done for the week. We're talking maybe 5 hours total for an entire week of content production. And that content, it sits on YouTube and it works for you every single day after that. Every single day someone finds it, watches it, clicks the link in your description, and enters your world. That's the system. That's what I need you to understand. The reason most people never hit 100K, it's not because they don't have the right strategy. It's not because they don't have enough time. It's not because the market is too saturated or the algorithm is against them. It's because they are addicted to consuming and allergic to producing. They watch video after video about making money. They sit in Facebook groups talking about what they're gonna do. And they never ever just start. Think about it like this. Imagine you want to get fit. You read every fitness book. You follow every gym account on Instagram. You buy the best workout clothes. You research the perfect diet plan. But you never actually go to the gym. As you can see, it's not a strategy problem. It's a behavior problem. And the solution isn't more information in that case. It's simply massive action. The people who make 100K this year are not smarter than you. They're not more talented than you. They don't have more hours in the day than you. The only difference between them and someone who stays stuck is that they started before they felt ready. They put out their first video when it was embarrassing. They launched their first product when it wasn't perfect. They showed up consistently even when the numbers were very small and disappointing. And because they stayed in the game long enough, the compound effect kicked in and the results started to snowball. The version of you who's going to hit 100K doesn't exist yet. That version of you gets built through the reps, through the awkward first videos, through the product that only sells 3 copies in the first month, through the consistency that everybody else quits at. You don't find that version of yourself by consuming more. You build it by producing more. So here's what I want you to do after this video. Make a decision. Decide that this is the year you stop watching and start doing. Decide that you're gonna build something real. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.